I'm a royal, diamond psycho. 내 걸음걸이부터 눈빛까지 so royal. 다들 물어봐 how can I be like you 홀로 나 소리지 말고 보여줘 be loyal to yourself. 가자 너 대한 거 보여줄 때 that's royal. 아무렴 못해 숨을 필요 없어 시선에 지금부터 let them know your name. 지금 이 순간 오직 너에게만 집중해 내게 중요한 건 언제나 be yourself. 흔들림 따위는 없는 내 머리부터 발끝까지 세상에 보란 듯 모든 걸 보여주고 봤나 누구보다 환하게 빛나는 그런 나인 걸. Cause you know I'm a royal diamonds and the gold. Do it like a royal 그게 나라고 거짓말없이 나도 내게 걸어가 내 걸음걸이마저도 당당한 그게 나니까. Cause you know I'm a royal diamond psycho. 수지 따놓은 표정까지 As you know 내 보여줄 때 언제나 가장 빛나길 원해 저 별처럼 눈부신 날 어떤 순간에도 자신 있게.
You can do some parts full speed, but some gamer stuff.
I love how there's no transition just then. What happened to the transition?
그게 나라고 거짓말없이.
Hold on, I need to start my streams. We're early, okay? That's why my hair's tied up. I gotta make sure I have everything live before we start. I gotta make sure we're live. Hello, everyone. Oh, is that my ending scene? Okay, that makes sense. All right, you guys are just gonna watch me eat. I haven't eaten yet. Hello, friends. Man, starting your stream when you're like like multi-streaming. Talk about ultra cringe. I'm fucking disgusting right now. I'm wearing the same thing as I wore yesterday. Okay, now I have to like open both streams. Oh, nice. Is it a huge upgrade? Is it everything you were expecting in life? Man, Yunzi needs to pay me money, bro. For all that free promotion I've been doing for them. I mean, I know they gave me a keyboard, but like, that ain't enough, homie. I think I have a good workflow now for multi-streaming, but I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot of effort. How do I pin a message? Pin. All right, can you guys check if my YouTube is live? Also, last stream I asked you guys if my music was too loud, and you guys were like, no, dude, it's perfect. And then I watched back the stream. I'm like, what are you guys smoking? It's pretty loud to me. God, you know what I want, guys? I know your boy doesn't need another microphone. He really doesn't. But I'd like to have a microphone that's not in my face all the time. That would be really nice. That would be ultra poggers.
Hello, Tim. Still on King. Okay, I have like a lot of things to do.
Don't you have a shotgun mic? I sold my shotgun mic. And then I replaced it with a pencil condenser mic. But the pencil condenser mic is over there. So, fuck, you can't see. Just, it's there now.
Do a barrel roll.
And I don't move it from there ever, because that's my YouTube mic. That's for the YouTube videos. I will say I'm pretty happy with the production of my YouTube videos right now. The only thing I would want to do for my YouTube videos, there needs to be RGB behind this setup. That's what we need. I need RGB behind this setup, you know? Trigger for when the ad starts. It's ad start, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure it's literally ad start. Twitch ad run. Alright, I'm just chilling. You know what I noticed from watching other people's streams? You know something I've noticed when I watch other people's streams lately? I think I put too much effort in my stream. I think it's okay for me to just sit back and eat and be a fucking degenerate for like 30 minutes at a time, you know? Because when I stream, I'm in constant for like 8 hours straight of like, well, I gotta entertain people the whole time. Bitch, I wanna eat. Are my YouTube streams even live? Yo, YouTube people, where are you at? Oh, hello, Aiden Shorts.
Would you eat Starbucks pancakes?
Sure. I don't, but
Hey,
like...
Nutty, what do you think of your food?
I mean, I eat the same shit every day. And it's... But I'm okay with eating the same thing every day, you know? I'm like... I wouldn't classify myself as an adventurous eater. And there's something comforting. You guys know my personality already, okay? I watch the same TV shows constantly. I listen to the same music constantly. I eat the same food constantly. I sit in the same room constantly. Life never changes for me. It's just flat and the same all the time. Thanks, guys. Oh, yo, every donation today
Streaming again?
from my stream. Every donation today from my stream, I am funneling it towards the Streamerbot developers. I think you're a little early. Just kidding. What up, Lifesaver? You're like 1 minute early.
Yeah.
Hello,
but you guys
Lifesaver.
even for one
Thank
day.
you so much. Okay, I gotta put my game face on now. I'm literally eating. Hello, everyone. I'm eating food. Here, do you want the food cam? Should we do food cam? Welcome to part 2 of 10 for the Streamerbot raid train. Yes, my hair is up because I'm eating. And I don't want my hair to get in my food. Welcome, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed Lifesaver's raid. Thank you for
Are you still talking about Streamerbot? I caramba.
Yes, we are. So, if I'm looking at the schedule correctly, Lifesaver made some basic commands for you guys. Did that go well for you? That is indeed oatmeal. Okay, I don't want to be super annoying. Do I have to like download something from you? Lifesaver? Because my thing's already done. The thing I'm making for you guys, I've already done today. Hello, in space. Hello, Slashy. Hello, DeGrowler. Where can I get the raid animation? Nowhere. Only for me. I'll DM you. Okay. Send it to me. So, Lifesaver, I anticipated that I will be cringe and I'm not going to be able to code anything on stream at all. So I made sure to just finish the entire thing. So my plan today is... So what's happening is 10 people from the Streamerbot community today will be doing back-to-back raids. And we're all going to be developing things in Streamerbot that we will be gifting to the community for you guys to use. So Lifesaver made some cool commands for you guys. And today I have some things to share, but I've already done them because I know I won't be able to do it at all today because I'm cringe. So what I'll be doing instead is I'll just demonstrate the things that I have made, and then we'll package it up to send it to who's next after me. Marcus, is after me. So folder SP. Okay, cool. Thank you, Lifesaver. I'm acknowledging your post here. Go there and go to my folder and then go up to the Streamerbot upload folder.
Bongo,
Okay,
bongo,
cool.
our fandom guys. No se pa que si pa
All right.
que no
Thank you
porque
very
voy
much, Lifesaver.
IRXDX.
I'm not gonna hold you up here because I bet you have real life things to do. I'm literally eating. I got time, bro. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna eat for like half an hour. Knowing me. Thank you, Richie. 2 years, dude. Thank you, Richie. All donations for my stream, okay? I didn't discuss this with anyone because I don't want to pressure any of the other streamers to do the same thing. At least for my portion of the stream, all of the donations from yesterday and today, I'll calculate everything. And then what I'm going to do is every donation, 100% will go to Nate. And then for every sub, I'll just do a flat calculation. I think I'm overestimating with this. $3 from every sub. I'm going to add all that up.
Shit, turn it up, son. We got a hype train going. Keep those biddies coming, my G.
Actually, this is a great opportunity for me to show you guys what I'll be showing you. That's a really dumb sentence, Nutty. That's a really unintelligent sentence that you just said just then. You absolute buffoon. So this is what I should have been making today, but I've already done it. Yeah, show me show me what you're showing me, please. Shut up. Streamers don't say intelligent things. What do you guys think about this? Okay, here's a pro tip for watching my stream. Anytime I ask you the question, what do you guys think about X thing that I've made? I'm basically asking you guys to say nice things about me because I lack the confidence to believe in myself, okay? That's why I'm asking you. So this is what we've made, and you guys will get access to this at the end of the raid train. But it's a stream logger. So everything that happens on the stream will get logged to my Discord server, and you'll be able to do it for your Discord server.
So we did some upgrades since the last time I posted about it on the Twitter. And I'd love to show you, but I'm on fire right now.
But my favorite thing that we've logged is hype trains. I made an actual loading bar. We made an actual loading bar. Come on, guys, give me a hype train. Progress the hype train, guys. We want to see the Discord logger at work. See, there you go. You see it? Isn't this cool? I've been doing a lot. Okay. I think you guys are excited for this, but I kind of like ham-fisted it in your faces to make you excited about it. Took a lot of work for me to explain to you guys why this would be very useful. Hello, Thushitha Chandima. Hello, Astamaki. Yo, thank you for the sub, Geek No. I'll pull all the subs out later. I'm eating, okay? One downside, I don't have a Discord. Okay, then don't use it then. Are you gonna say you don't have a computer, Nick? I'm releasing 2 things, okay? I don't know if I'm gonna release both things today. The second thing I'll be releasing is this. Look what I made, guys. Isn't this cool? I don't have Streamerbot. Are you joking? I feel like you're joking. You have Streamerbot, don't you, Slashing?
Rudimentary Discord TTS logger. I just don't know how to rename it to the user's name and avatar. You gonna make a tutorial on that, right?
Nope. My tutorial is giving it to you guys, and then you guys can just read the code.
Hey Nutty, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. So I gotta finish eating fast. If I don't answer a lot of your questions today, it's because I need to be busy. Okay, I only have 2 hours and I've wasted 8 minutes of the stream already. I started to review the obs tiny light but I feel it's not sharp enough for on streaming. Well, then your standards are too high. It's a webcam, bro. You have way too high standards for a webcam. Those webcams look pretty fucking cool for like how much they cost. I'm eating oatmeal. Okay, here's the deal. Here's the deal, friends. Yo, thanks for continuing the hype train. Look at it go. Oh my god, this is so pretty, guys. Look how pretty this logger is. You guys said this is like Thor's thing. Oh, next level DJ. Okay, I'll read it later after the stream. Thank you. Is social streaming acceptable way to collate chat? This is what I use. I feel bad anytime someone asks me about social stream because I don't like it. And then when you guys ask me why I don't like it, and then I explain to you guys, it makes it sound like I'm insulting the developer. I've said publicly that I respect the developer. I think did he make OBS Ninja? Like, the developer is great, okay? I just don't like it. I made a tweet explaining why I don't like social stream. Quite frankly, if I'm gonna be perfectly candid, and I don't like saying this, okay? I'm not saying this because I'm trying to like, you know, I'm trying to like get clout or whatever. It shoves too much shit in your face. Like it's insane. I gotta show you the Twitter video. Okay. Now, in fairness, I do respect the developer a lot because after I made the video, I guess they found out I made the video, and rather than sometimes developers, when I say stuff about their program, they get upset, which is understandable. Okay, you put your life's work into something, and then I'm just like shitting all over it. So I'm like not blaming any developer that comes to me and is like, "Hey, I don't like how you said this about our thing." I understand it. I say it anyway because I feel like, thank you. Hold on, I just want to finish what I'm saying. I say it anyway because I just want things to be good for viewers. And anyway, I'm going on a bit of a rant, but the reason why this video will tell you why I don't like social stream. Now, okay, in fairness, the developer, after they saw it, they actually made an update like almost immediately that fixed some of my issues with it. It's still not for me though. But you can use it if you want. Here, if you're on YouTube, you won't hear any audio. Okay, this is the wrong video. Here. And I think I make a good point, okay? I think I make a good point here. A valid point, even if it comes across as a bit harsh.
I got asked almost daily why I don't use social stream. Guys, if you use social stream, I'm not trying to discourage you guys from using something that you like, but I'm just looking for a simple tool that combines Twitch and YouTube messages with no flow. This is supposed to be easy to use. Look how many options are on here. Like it just goes on and on. Like why do you need this many options? An emote wall, a hype meter, a wait list, a graphic poll, a battle royale. What do you need a battle royale for? I'm just trying to combine Twitch and YouTube.
Oi.
You guys told me this was easy to use. What is all this?
That's why I don't like it. It's too much. It's way too much shit. It honestly boggles the mind that this was the #1 option you guys kept telling me about. Like, when I asked you guys, what is the #1 option for combining chats? Like, when I went on this whole journey of researching, like, what the best thing is, this was your #1 option. Which is fine, but like, dude, the thing you guys kept telling me is like, yeah, this is so easy to use. I'm like, the fuck are you guys smoking? This is so much shit.
Are green potatoes safe to eat?
Thank you so much for gifted subs. Those will all go towards Nate and the dev team. So, it's the least I can do. It's quite literally the least I can do. It's not even my money. I'm not even giving my money. I'm giving your money to them. I'm not even doing anything. So. So what they did was, I think they released an option where you can toggle off everything. Like you can hide everything that's disabled. It's still not a great solution, but like it does hide some of the complexity. I still think it's too much though. If you want to combine chats, if you want to combine chats, this is the way to do it. Only caveat is Social Stream, in fairness, supports a lot of platforms. This just does Twitch and YouTube. But if you only need Twitch and YouTube, there's no better option than this. Eventually, Cozy. Not right now. Yes. You are hearing Discord pings. Why am I hearing Discord pings? Cringe, right? Absolute human cringe. That's fine. Oh, fuck. Do I have to, like... Oh, shit. Hold on. I think there's, like, a giveaway thing, and I need to set up the shit now. Okay, hold on. From broadcasters, lifesaver. StreamerBot upload, Barker Discord.zip, Sparkle text. Okay. What is StreamerBot raid train.zip? Fuck. I'm so sorry. So what do I need to do? I download the zip file. Probably should have been more organized instead of just... The raid train zip, right? I got it. Okay. Because there's like a giveaway thing with it, right? So I got to do that now. All right, hold on, guys. There's a giveaway. It's just taking its time to open. Don't worry. See, this is why I built my stuff before the stream. Because I knew I'd have to fumble around with things while I'm streaming.
Lurk. Hey, everyone. Let it be known that I_N_I_versus is off to go lurk.
Thank you. All right, what's this? What are we doing? No worries, N. Leezy. Thanks for joining the Patreon. Patrons saved my life. I would be dead without you patrons. I would be. And as the children say, on God. Okay. Alrighty then. So I am going to log in with my credentials. And then I think you guys can type !join and something should happen.
Haha, sex.
Oh, there's no like... Okay. It's adding you guys. I'm pretty certain. It's adding you guys. It's just you're not going to get a notification for it. All right. I have Discord open here. So people just like type in, look in setting groups to see if we're being added. Okay. Fuck, I'm so cringe. I'm so sorry, Lifesaver. Can we give it... Okay, but guys, can we give a huge shout out to Lifesaver and the rest of the Streamerbot community, especially Terrier Darts, for organizing everything. You guys did a great job organizing everything, and I feel like I did fuck all to help you guys at all. I'm so sorry. I was focused too much on the thing I'm making and trying to make that like as good as possible. And then I didn't help you guys at all organizing this.
Test.
It was all them organizing this. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of names here. Everybody continue to type in !join. You can win. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I get the, because there's a couple heart rate thingies, right? I want to make sure I'm getting the right one. Is it Paul?
If you don't come down for dinner in 30 seconds, I will take out the chinelas.
It's Pulsoid. Okay, thank God I didn't say the other thing. But yeah, by joining, you guys will get a chance to win one of 5 1-year bro plans for Pulsoid. And all you gotta do is join, !join. You can do join once in every stream. So if you already joined in Lifesaver's stream, you can join in mine again. So this is your incentive to go through everybody's stream for the day. Yeah, I should get this. I have one of those cool fancy smartwatches now. What am I eating? Oatmeal. And now I'm moving on to my yogurt with banana. You know what? I don't like eating on stream, especially after the last time I ate on stream. No more. Okay? Last time I ate on stream, some dude in chat was like full judging me because of what I was eating. I wasn't even eating anything that bad. I had French toast, and then I cut up like some apple slices and like some blueberries on top. There was syrup on it, but it was like sugar-free syrup, so it was Pog. And then they were like, that's like looks cool and all, but like that's like so much fruit, bro. That's like 5 servings of fruit. I'm like, it's an apple. it's an apple. So now when I eat, I feel scared that you guys are internally judging me. Bro, let me eat. Fruit is the worst. That's so weird. Yeah, I know people get really weird when it comes to food. They got really weird. There's too much cringe diet advice on the internet. Okay. I'll add that in. Actually, no, I think it's fine as long as I can I'm responding to a private DM with my mouth because it's faster. No, I think it's fine, Lifesaver, because I can as long as I can see the names being added, it should be okay. I can see them being added. There's a lot of names in there. Come on, guys! Exclamation mark join. That's such a weird reaction. You're eating too much. It's not even too much fruit. They were like, you're eating 5 servings of fruit. I'm like, it's literally an apple and 40 grams of blueberries. I know that because I weigh my blueberries because I'm fucking weird. Okay? You don't have to weigh blueberries. Blueberries are fine. That's not a food that you need to weigh, but I do it anyway because I want to eat the same shit all the time.
Do you like your new internet?
Yeah, it's fine. Entire apple? That did bother me a little bit.
You gotta be careful eating that many fruits and veggies, dude.
300 grams of fruit. No, apples are totally cool. You guys that like too much cringe health advice on the internet. Something I've learned in the past year is that like
I clearly haven't learned a lot because I stumbled and now I don't know what I'm saying. But dude, if you listen to everything on the internet, you won't eat anything because everything is bad for you. Bro, if you eat eggs, do you know you'll die? Shave 20 years off your life, bro? Bro, don't eat bananas, homie. Look at these chemicals, man. You're eating actual chemicals. Bitch, you're made out of chemicals, okay? Why is this taking so long? Oh, thank you. Not gonna make it out alive anyways. You're eating actual human cringe chemicals. Why it takes so long to eat? Shut up! This is why I don't eat, okay? No comments on what I'm eating or how long I'm taking to eat. Just let me eat. I just want to eat, okay? I'm hungry, all right? Oats can kill you, bro. I like eating oats
You don't
because...
really work out for good entries to use. Wavy Gravy is making my list.
You don't really work out for good entries to use. Wavy Gravy is making my list. I like eating oats because I feel like when I eat oats, I don't have to eat for like 12 hours. I'm like good. I'm like set for 12 hours. So I don't have to waste my time.
Your captain speaking. Would the user by the name Dmitry Kuprianov please see a flight attendant immediately?
Bro, are you having water, bro?
Do a barrel roll.
Bro, are you eating water? Dude. Oh my god, you're having coffee? Do you know how much caffeine is in that, bro? Bro. Did you know oats actually have a high percentage of abstract oil that causes about 85% chance to... Why are you reading this? I have no idea what I'm talking about, homie. How do you guys feel about diet soda? Are you diet soda pilled? Because I think the last time we were all just having this conversation, you guys were like, actually, diet soda is worse than regular soda. It has chemicals in it. Whenever someone uses the phrase, it has chemicals in it, my brain is like, I'm not even listening anymore, bro. I'm done. Because I bet you don't even know what these chemicals are. You just said things that sound scary and scientific. You don't know what the fuck those mean. I'm made out of chemicals, bro. I just ate chemicals just now. It can cause cancer, diabetes, and Ebola all at once. Diet soda is pog, okay? Mainly because I only drink soda like maybe once a month. Are you wearing makeup? No. Why do you care? I drink soda like once a month. And so like, all I've done is I've replaced the 1 or 2 sodas I have a month with diet soda. And like, who the fuck cares? That's like such a low amount of diet
The
soda.
American Diabetes Association considers eggs an excellent choice for people with diabetes. That's because one large egg contains only about a half a gram of carbohydrate and 7 grams of high-quality protein as well as other important nutrients.
That sounds way too well written to not be from ChatGPT or Google. Did you Google that or did you write that? So well written, has to be from Google. Bro, do you know eggs are bad for you, bro? We're not talking about eggs. If you drink 2-liter diet stuff a day, yeah, but who the hell does that? I mean, maybe some people do. But like, I feel like if you just make slightly healthier choices, you can still, like, I still eat like shit. I just eat less like shit, you know, than I did before. At least now I'm not eating a family bag of Twisties like every week.
Thank you. My friend took a COVID test here. The COVID line came up in my hand.
Okay,
Had it
thank
patched
you.
up by urgent care.
Thank you for the
It
subs.
tested
Guys,
until
remember, every
tomorrow.
sub and every donation today Every sub and every donation today will go to the StreamerBot developers. So if you guys are using StreamerBot, it is a free software and will continue to be free software. But your developers have to eat, okay? So consider supporting if you can. It's a great project. They do a lot of great things for you guys for no money. So yeah. And basically what I'm asking is you just give me money, okay? Now, if you don't trust me to give money, that's fine. I'm totally understandable. You can give directly to Nate here, who is the primary developer for StreamerBot. And also, the integrated chat for StreamerBot was made by a separate developer. His name is Whipstick. So if you want to donate to Whipstick directly, I'll also give you his Ko-Fi page. Oh, sorry, Coffee. You people that work at Coffee, we need to have a conversation, okay? You say you're pronounced Ko-Fi? Then why is your thing buy me a coffee? Just make up your goddamn mind. It says buy me a coffee, but your website is Ko-Fi. I don't understand, bro. Some mixed messaging here. I feel like he's trolling. Just like the guy that said that GIF is pronounced GIF. I feel like he's trolling. Is it pronounced coffee? I don't know how to pronounce it. You have 2 keyboards? I think you missed a 0 in that. I think you mean 20 keyboards. Here's my shelf. I legitimately probably have 30 plus keyboards, and you get rid of like half of them.
RTX off. I cannot in good conscience give the devs money to buy chemicals to eat.
The amount of things on our desk is wild. Lol, I love it.
Fucking the chemicals. I can't support them. They eat chemicals. All right, everybody, press exclamation mark join. You'll join something.
RTX.
You'll win something if you press join. A 1-year subscription, bro subscription of Pulsoid. Is it called a bro subscription?
Lisa. Gamble all.
Why such a high... Okay, what did you say? Twitch chat, why such a high price to allow YouTube chat? So you need to use a feature in OBS where it's able to clip something to an MP4 and enter a title before it saves. Do you know what tool script he uses? I bet he made that himself. Dude, Andy Lippy is a madman. He just likes doing shit in OBS. And he has no programming experience. And a normal person would be like, oh man, I don't have programming experience. Guess I'm not going to be able to do that. He's just like, yeah, I'm just going to learn how to program so I can make shit. And now he just makes shit that I didn't even know how to do. And I used to be a programmer. Like, I don't even know how he does some of the shit that he does. I'm betting he made it himself, is my guess. I can take a guess at how he made it, though. I can take a guess of how he made it. There's several ways that you could make something like that. The coffee you drink contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause birth defects or other reproductive harm, bro. What about this water? Okay, you drink water? No, bro. Do you know how much hydrogen is in water, bro? Is that a protein shake? Bro, protein powder's not even food, bro.
I use Botrix for my chat on screen and yesterday it quit showing YT. Is that why they're halfway common with YT chat?
But are you lose time between Tenacious and Creepy?
Yeah, you can ask Andy in his stream. Yeah, why don't you ask him? He literally does, like, that kind of stuff all the time. Are you a developer or a programmer? What's the difference? What is YouTube chat kind of jank? I use Botrix for my chat on screen, and yesterday I quit showing YT. I didn't use Botrix. Could be a Botrix thing. The air you breathe in a public restroom contains chemicals, bro. Are you drinking chemicals again, bro? Bro. Is that a new voice I have? Yeah, bro. Chemicals, homie. Dude, are we gonna... It's 35 minutes in and I'm still eating. I only have 2 hours to make shit. I gotta start adding. I gotta start adding my stuff. I've already coded it. It's fine. No, this is not a protein shake, though. I don't eat protein. I probably should start eating protein, though, because I don't eat enough protein throughout the day. I can't be fucked making food, dude. I eat like a 12-year-old. Just give me the chicken tendies and I'm happy. That's all I need. There's protein in chicken tendies, right? Thank you, Captain Noob. Is that still your Discord? Yeah, I like leaving my Discord notifications on because it makes you guys be like, is that my Discord? Or Nutty's Discord? And that makes me, it's quite the prank when you think about it. It's truly quite the prank, Aldi brand protein powder ain't bad and it's cheap AF. How much is it? Dude, I need to start shopping at Aldi. I just shop at Kohl's because there's like a Kohl's like right next to me. It's
Dude, show us some things.
I don't like telling people where I live.
Food and protein.
But like
You're making me hungry, bro.
I don't like telling people where I live, but I live between a Krispy Kreme and a Costco. Like right in between. When was the last time you spoke to Jay? You still keep in touch? No, we're beefing. We're beefing. This one time, he put his pants on backwards, and I was like, "Bro, why are you wearing your pants backwards?" And he's like, "What's it to you, homie?" And then we started punching each other.
For overlays.uno and I signed up. Have some money.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, and then we start punching each other. He's like, "How dare you make fun of the way I wear my pants? It's a simple mistake, Nutty. You don't need to make fun of me." And then now we don't talk anymore because he decided to wear his pants backwards on accident. Dinosaur chicken nuggets contain 17 grams of protein per 100 grams. No way. For real? Bro, I could eat half. I can eat like half a kilo of dino nuggies a day then. I can slam that in a day. I'm okay with that. I love the dino nuggies. Dino nuggies. This ain't even a joke. I'm not even saying this as a bit, okay? Dino nuggies are like there's like an adult meal, okay? They're better than regular nuggets because especially like the thin part of the neck, it's like it gets all crispy, you know? And it's like the texture's better. You feel like the ridges of the dinosaur. This is way better than regular nuggets. I like biting the head of the dino first because it's like okay, I'm not pulling that out. There's too many subs here. Every sub will go towards Nate today. I'm gonna keep repeating that so you give him more money, yeah? Is there more protein in male dino nuggets? What fucking stupid question. You got subs to print out a thermal printer? Yeah, I do. Penguin. All right, give me 2 more minutes and then I'll actually start doing something productive, yeah? If you asked me an hour and a half ago,
I am lazy.
let's say I didn't have to stream right now, right? If you asked me an hour and a half ago, yo, Nutty, do you want to get up and stream today? I would have been like, bro, I'm in bed still. I'm tired. But I got up because I committed, and now that I'm here, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good now that I'm out of my bed. Just takes me a bit of time to, you know. It takes the world to get me out of bed, okay? It takes the world. You need it takes like a gargantuan effort to get me out of bed. You ain't getting me out of bed, okay? I got Reddit in bed. I can chill out on Reddit in bed. You gotta pull that from my meaty claws if you want to get me out of bed. What does it take you to get in bed? Not much. Literally just give me Reddit and I'm good. Reddit and the YouTube app. Your ISP came today? Oh, you're getting a big internet upgrade? You know what? Yeah. My new internet is cringe. I'm paying for 1,000 down and I'm only getting 100 down. I'm gonna call them about it because I have a sneaking suspicion that they're gonna be like, yeah, man, that's the fastest we can do at your premises. And then I'm paying that for no reason then. I'm still going to keep paying for it though because I got faster uploads. Jackson, you have my own internet. Okay. Do you? Or do your parents' internet? I invented camera angles too. Before him, it was only deadpan stare into the camera like a boomer. Like a boomer.
Still need to comb their hair.
242 110ths.
I like how I've tied my hair today, and you guys have literally not said a word about it, and I'm great with that. Okay. I'm very happy that you guys haven't said shit about it, because I like tying my hair a lot off stream, but then on stream, I don't want to do it because then you'll be like, Nutty, what happened to your hair, homie? Did you cut your hair, bro? Well, now I notice, bro. Cut, bro. Come on, bro. It looks nice. Thanks. I tied it myself. Bro, what happened, bro? Alright guys, let's do some cool stuff. Your hair wear a hat to keep it back? Bro, I used to wear a hat. Hats used to be permanently fixed to my head. People who watched me 6 years ago didn't even know I had long hair. I streamed for like 4 years wearing only backwards hats, right? And then after about 4 years, I was like, you know what? I'm going to take my hat off. And everyone was like, what the fuck? Why is your hair so long? Because it would be tucked into my hat. You can ask the OGs about that story. It's a true story. All the OG people know that story. I used to always exclusively wear hats. All right. Chat, here's the thing we're doing, okay? I'm going to demonstrate what I've done today. It should take me 15 minutes if I'm doing it properly, but knowing me, we're going to take half an hour to do this. And then we're going to package this up and then we're going to send this to the next person cuz I'm only streaming for the next hour 15 minutes. And then we're moving on to the next person in the raid train. Yeah? Yeah, then we're going to double it and send it to the next person. The next person in the raid train being Marcus. Woo! What is this though? Can you read the pin message? Are you capable? Okay. So, here's what I am releasing today. So, like I said before, 10 people are streaming back to 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 back, right? And we're all making stuff in StreamerBot to celebrate the 3-year anniversary of StreamerBot. And then you guys will be able to download the stuff later. Okay, we're all contributing to basically one StreamerBot install. And then you guys will just get some cool shit after that. So, my contribution, we're supposed to make this stuff on stream in front of you, I think. I think that was the plan. But I'm not doing that because I've already done it. Otherwise, we would have been sitting here all day. So, here's my contribution. And I'm probably going to contribute 2 things.
Because you got me addicted to this.
We're going to learn C#, the internet, Google. Or can I simp for Skillshare? But you can just use Google. Bro, one of the coolest things about software development is I feel like unlike any other industry, I feel like software developers just like give their shit away for free for no reason. You can literally watch university lectures for programming. Like it's just on YouTube. It's just there from like the actual universities themselves, which makes no sense to me. It's like, don't you bitches want money? They're like, nah, we're just gonna put this on the internet for free. But one day I'll do like a basic C# tutorial. It's just not a sexy video. It's hard to make that a sexy video. And I'm also afraid of doing too much coding stuff in StreamerBot because you guys constantly are like, oh, I don't want to use StreamerBot, bro. I don't know how to program, bro. And I have to always tell you guys, no, you don't need to know how to program. You don't need to know how to program to use StreamerBot. Although you can do way cooler stuff if you can, but you don't need to. Anyway, so let me show off my 2 contributions for the StreamerBot raid train. Now here is, okay, let me have a look. All right, here we go. My 2 contributions. The first one is going to be this Discord logger thing. And it's pretty simple. You can have your Discord server, and it just logs everything that happens. Like if you got a new follower, it will just like log it. If you got like if someone uses a channel point reward, then you see it here. You even see what they wrote. Earlier today we got a hype train, and it showed like the progression of the hype train. See, look here. It showed like the progression of the hype train. Even sub bombs. You guys were like, isn't this gonna like rate limit Discord?
If
We got
Jeffrey
5
falls
gifted
in the
subs in a
forest
row
and
and it
no
logged
one is
everything.
around, does it leave a Google review?
So, would make sense to replace blah 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 with this to prevent something eyes. Wait, does that work? I don't want to fix stuff. I already coded it. You mean like this? That doesn't work, does it? Anyway, yeah, so we made like a stream event logger thing. This works for Twitch and YouTube as well. So if you got like a super chat on YouTube, that's also gonna get logged here. And then separate to that, we also made a chat logger. So if you just want to like keep a log of all of your messages.
Here for dinner. You lead the prayer tonight.
Thank you, Nutbody. If you just want to log your just like regular messages, you can have a channel for that. And this is cool because if someone is being cringe in your stream, then you can just like search for it here. You can search for people's names. I mean, replace that on the user input.
Whoa, that's so cool.
I can't be fucked doing that right now. Maybe one day I'll fix that. We're gonna be here all day if I start fixing stuff though. I think that build uses no C#. Yeah, you don't need C#. You can search for the stuff people mention that you want to check out later. Yeah, so for example, if you want to clip something for later, and you're like, "Hey, Nutty bro, I don't remember when I said this, but I know I was talking about pasta during that time," and then you can just search pasta. Did anyone say pasta in chat log? Did anyone talk about pasta? No one's talked about pasta ever in my stream. Cringe. Yeah, but it does show like profile pictures and everything. Now, here's a tip, okay?
Yeah.
When you guys eventually get this, here's a tip that I have for you. After you have set up this chat log and stream log thing, and then I haven't included this, but I made my own reminder channel as well. That's not going to be included. I just made this for me. But here's a S tier tip for you guys. After you add this, put a clock in your stream. I have a clock right here. And the reason why you put a clock is later on, if you're going through your 12-hour stream and you want to like match up when shit happened, you just match the time on the clock with this.
So like, if you want to see when this exact channel point reward here got redeemed, it has a timestamp, and you just match the time with the one on the stream.
That's why I have the clock in my stream, guys. Also, so you guys know what time it is where I'm at. Could it also add a timestamp from the stream start? You could do that. I considered doing that. I had something else to say. I forgot. I think this is more accurate though, because sometimes I use like my local recording to find when stuff happened. Sometimes I use the actual Twitch VOD, and they're not necessarily the same length. Like if I start my recording at a different time, like my YouTube streams, I start at a different time to my Twitch stream. I start my YouTube streams like right when I switch from my intro scene. And so like if I'm searching something in my YouTube stream, then like the start times are going to be slightly off. So for me, I prefer putting the actual real time just hard coded into the stream. The other thing is if somebody, the reason why I like using an actual time is, let's just say someone clips your stream. This never has happened to me, but if you're like skeptical, or if you have lots of toxic people in your life, let's say someone like clips something totally out of context from your stream, and then you're like, "Yo, bro, that's like so out of context." If it shows the time on the stream, you can go into your VODs and find precisely when the clip happened, and then you can see the full context. That's why I like doing it. It's just more reliable to put the actual time there. I might change up this clock, and I might add seconds into it to be even more specific. Hello, Silverlink. So yeah, that's the first thing that you guys will get. The second thing that I'm going to add to this thingy-majiggy that you guys might find exciting is a multi-stream title updater.
Sex.
Why won't you get the YouTube check mark? Because I don't know. I want the Discord logs widget. That's why I bought tier 2 patron today. I don't care if you release it for free. You deserve my support, and I can get other cool widgets. Thanks, Zelirioris. Yeah, I will release this as well. I think this is ready to go. So I made a multi-stream titler widget. So this is a dock in OBS. So you can dock this in OBS. In fact, here's my OBS. And you can see it's nowhere. There. You can see here. It's down there. It's just docked. I have it docked here. And then I also have, this is my dashboard layout. So this is where I have all my Twitch and my YouTube dashboards. And I just have a little titler dock right there. So you'll be able to add that to your OBS setup. So if you stream on Twitch and YouTube, it only supports Twitch and YouTube, unfortunately. So if you do TikTok, I'm sorry. It doesn't support that. However, if you do Twitch and TikTok, it's super straightforward. It just finds all your streams, and then you can just update them all here. That's it. That's all it does. So if I want to change my title to Absolute Cringe Lord, and then press update all, boom, everything gets updated. Oh god, does this not update? Yeah, there it is. Takes a bit of time to update everything, but it updates all the stream titles all at once. Now, you'll notice that I have 2 YouTube streams, and that's because I stream in vertical and horizontal at the same time. The problem is I have no way of knowing which one's the vertical and which one's the horizontal stream. There's no data behind the thing that I can't tell. I can only tell that there's 2 YouTube streams, but oh shit, Aniv thinks I'm smart. Marker Aniv thinks I'm smart. I'm gonna save this momentous occasion. He thinks I'm smart, guys. Anyway, didn't add tags? Yeah, it's not great, because then if you change your tags incorrectly, then it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any difference to you anyway. So it still requires you to tag it. It just you run into the same issue. So anyway, what I've done is, since you can't tell which is the vertical and which one is the horizontal stream, these are actually buttons. So if you want to go to the dashboard for each specific stream, you click this and your Twitch dashboard opens. And then you click this, and then the dashboard opens for whichever stream this happens to be, and then you can just like view in this window, is this the horizontal? Is it the vertical? It's the horizontal stream. I can just see it there. And then this one is this should be the vertical then, right? So you can just quickly open your dashboard. So that's my solution to help you guys out to figure out which stream is which. And then of course, once you figure out which is which, then you can just go ahead and update each individually if that's something that you want to do. If this doesn't work, I'm gonna fucking cry. But yeah, you can go and update each one individually. Category gaming, no category. I might add that in later, but this is just for titles for now. I might also give you the ability to change, like if I really want to work in this even more, I don't know if I do want to, but like I wasn't going to work in this anymore, but you guys keep asking for more features, so I might change my mind on that. If I do update this some more, I'll add a description box for YouTube. And then I'll add, because on YouTube, you can change between public and private. So maybe I'll add an option to change it from public to private. So, but yeah, that's how that works. Now, I've shown this off like multiple times before. So if you guys have been watching my streams for the past week, then you've seen all of this before. Now, the part I'm really proud of, okay, the part that makes me really proud, guys, is if if I do this, okay, let's just say, sorry for the red connecting symbols, but let's say you don't know how to connect, because this widget connects to StreamerBot, right? But let's say you don't know how to connect it to StreamerBot. You're going to get this red icon up here. So that means you're not connected to StreamerBot, right? Well, then there's like an eye icon here. Yes, I know. I just turned that on. Let's say there's an eye icon here, right? You can just click in it and then boom. Why the fuck did I get so many things that say broadcast complete? Why did I get so many of these? Why did that happen? Anyway. Yeah, if you don't know how to set up the widget, you can like literally just click this, and then I have like a text document that shows you how to set everything up. So hopefully this should make things easier for you guys. I'm actually most proud of this. This is a new thing I'm going to do for literally, I'm retroactively going to go back and do this for every single widget I've ever made. Is I'm going to make like a little web page document like this. It's essentially it's a Notion page, but it's essentially a website.
Who's Happy Miri and I?
So the plan is eventually I'm going to have like a website with all of these documents on it, including all my Patreon widgets. So like you'll be able to access everything from one place. I hate writing docs. It's so much easier in Notion though. I already know Notion, so it's easy. Like I know how to format stuff in Notion already. But yeah, so if you don't know how to set up this this little titler widget, you just open it here, and then it tells you exactly what you need to do. You'd be like, oh, turn on the server, and then you turn it on, and then boom, it connects automatically, and then it just pulls all your streams just like that. But that's basically all that I wanted to show off. Now I have 1 hour to package this up, and then send this over to the next person in the raid train. So this is a separate StreamerBot install. Everyone in the raid train today, we're all adding to the same StreamerBot install. So I just have to import all my code into this. Actually, this will be a good opportunity for you guys to see exactly, because I will be packaging my stuff separately as well. If you just want the things that I've made. So this will be a good way for me to demonstrate how to import it. After restart, YouTube's order changes. The order changes. The order on my widget is based on which one goes live first. So whichever platform you go live on first will be listed first here. Does that make sense? Yeah, but again, like if you're not sure and you don't know which one went first, then you can always just access your dashboard. Guys, I got one question, okay? What would you prefer? Because right now, maybe I'll make a poll for this, okay? And I'll describe my question very clearly so you guys know what I'm asking you. So these three buttons here, right? When you click on them, they open up your stream. What would you guys prefer? Would you prefer if these buttons open up your dashboard or the actual stream itself? So right now when I click on Twitch, it doesn't take me to my Twitch stream, it takes me to the dashboard. And then for the YouTube one, if I click on the YouTube stream, it takes me to the dashboard, not the actual YouTube stream. I don't want to add two buttons because I'm trying to make it as simple as possible. I might add more buttons later if I decide to add more to this widget. All right, I'm gonna start a poll. I really need a button to do polls better. I'll do a poll. All right, you guys can vote. 3 minutes. You guys have 3 minutes here. So what do you think these buttons should do? Should they open up your dashboards or should they open up the actual streams themselves? Now, most of you guys are saying dashboards, which is why I've set them to dashboards, but I don't know if this changes your vote in any way. I probably should have explained this beforehand. It's faster to open up your actual stream. Your dashboards typically take a bit longer. That's the only thing. That's the only thing that's making me think maybe I should just open the stream itself. So like, if I do it the other way around, and then now I click in this button, the stream opens up faster. But then it shows ads if you have ads on YouTube, and that's cringe. I don't have ad block in this.
Corn's up.
Yeah, I did dashboard because you get more functionality, but this opens up your stream faster. Eventually, I'll add 2 buttons, probably, but I just want to keep it as simple as possible for now. I don't want to add too many things here because the way I envision you using this is my thought is you guys would be using this as an OBS dock. I don't want to listen to this. Sorry. This is not what I want to listen to right now. I envision that you guys would use this as an OBS dock, and if you're gonna dock this in OBS, like, you guys don't have gigantic ass monitors. I'm like cringe and I have big monitors, but you guys don't necessarily have big monitors. So your dock might just be this big, right? If you actually dock this in OBS, it might only be this big. So I don't want to add like too many buttons here because you won't be able to fit it on your OBS docks anymore. You get what I'm saying? So I'll have to get clever with like how I optimize the space. Even less? Yeah, you guys might only be like this big. I could get rid of this thing that just says update titles. Like, that doesn't really need to be there. Shift click? No, that's way too confusing. No one's gonna know how to do that. This is already bad design. People don't even know that these are buttons. Like, I have to tell you that you can click in these buttons. I should probably add some tooltips too. Anyway, I'm not gonna update it more. I'm not gonna get like freaking obsessive over like details here. It's fine. The update titles could be a placeholder in the larger in the large input. What do you mean large input? Twitch and YouTube only. Okay, I gotta be honest, guys. You guys can do what you guys want, but man, is it really practical to stream to that many platforms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like, I used to be of the belief that, yeah, sure, why not? What's wrong with 6 different platforms? But man, that seems a lot. I used to do that, by the way. I used to stream to like 11 platforms at once. But like nowadays, I couldn't even imagine doing that. Twitch and 2 times YouTube is like a lot already. No, that it used no extra bandwidth to do that when I was doing it. Anyway, I gotta start packaging this up because I only have 15 minutes left to do this. Okay. All right, you guys are gonna see how to install these widgets. Now, thankfully, I have included Can I just say, guys, not to suck myself off, even though we all know that I would if I was flexible enough. I've been feeling a lot more confident in my work lately. In like the stuff that I'm making. I'm still a shit programmer, but I feel like the products I've been releasing have been better products or easier for you guys to understand, which I'm enjoying. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to install this Discord stream logger. So I have included a little document here to show you just everything you need to do to install this. And we just have to follow it. So create a Discord webhook URL. It tells you exactly how to do this. We don't need to do this because this is done. Import your StreamerBot actions. Okay. So how do we do this? Import StreamerBot actions. Okay. Boom. 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 And then that's it. It's imported here. Now, I'm not going to put in my Discord webhook URL. That's for you guys to do. But this is where you would put it. This is where you guys would put it in. And like I said, it's all described in the document. Okay. Tells you exactly where you need to click to get your Discord webhook URL. Tells you where to get everything. Yeah, it's 2 actions, but the second one has like 34 triggers.
101. This is kind of rough at ending is 24 plus 420.
It has like 34 triggers. But that's it. That's all you need. Boom, baby, done. Yeah, that's really it. That's all you need to do to install it, and then you're good. You will need to have StreamerBot open for it to work. So like, it's not gonna log follows that happen when you're offline or when your computer's off, but like, you know, it'll at least log stuff while you are streaming. All right, that's it. Okay, next thing is what else? Patreon. Nutty's multi-stream title updater. Guys, I'm doing this thing. This might be a little cringe, but I'm doing this thing where the title of all of my documents is written in lowercase. And I've done that intentionally because I want people, when they click on my widgets, to be like, ooh, this guy doesn't have time for proper punctuation. This guy means business. You know, he means business, but he's also very relaxed, you know. He's relaxed and chill because he doesn't care to even put in proper capitalization. You know, it's part of my style. It's why I don't spell my name with a capital N ever. Yeah, he's serious, but he's chill like that. All right, how do we install the multi-stream title updater? Turn on WebSocket server. Okay, it's already on. Oh, should I turn it on for you guys already? Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. Yeah, okay. So I think when we pass this on to the next person, it'll already be turned on. Then import the StreamerBot actions. Okay. Cool. Let's import the StreamerBot actions. I like how I'm going through this document as if I didn't make it myself. Import. And there it is. That's all the code. And then what? After I import it, open the widget, and then we're good. Should automatically connect to StreamerBot. Can you change the default port on that? Are you asking me to change it or if it's possible? Yeah, it's possible. You will have to go into the JavaScript and change it though. But for everyone, just to keep it simple, because I don't want to like confuse the shit out of everyone. Like if you're the type of person that wants to change the port number, you know where to go to change it, you know? I don't think there's going to be that many people who wants to change the port number, but then they don't understand like how to just go in and change it here, you know? I feel like if you're smart enough to know what a port number does and what to even change it to, you're smart enough to come in here and just change one number. Is that fair? Like you only need to change that. That's it. Or if you want to be like extra unsafe, you can just set it to 0000. It's where it's the ship docks. What? What did you just call me? It says Stream Elements. Yeah, it used to be Stream Elements. This was a rework of oh, I love Streamerbot. I love Streamerbot. I love Streamerbot. It's my favorite. We're going to update there's going to be like a version 1.2 or something later. I think he wants end port 81 in the... You could figure it out, guys. I can add that feature in later. It's not important to add now when I have 43 minutes left to do all this. Like we can add all of that in later. Yeah, okay. I think we're good. I think that's it. Just save all this. And everyone type in join, you win something. Okay? Exclamation mark join, yeah. And also keep donating, because I'm going to give the money to Nate. You can copy the code from horizontal chat. Okay. I'll look into it later. Sorry. I don't want to get like too... This is my MVP, okay? We'll like update it in the future. Just keep in mind, like after this week, I have like a bunch more other widgets that I want to work on. Okay, I just farted, by the way. I have like a bunch of widgets I want to work on. And I don't want to like work. I want to get like super obsessive over something that just updates the title of a stream. Like I have like a million things I want to work on right now. I want to work on the Elgato prompter thing. I have an Elgato prompter thing I want to make. I have a bunch of other widgets I want to make. Like I don't have time to keep reworking the same shit over and over again.
30 seconds. I will take out the chinelas.
All right, how do I... So I can shut this down now. Okay, how do I upload this shit for the next person? From broadcasters. Nutty. SB upload. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh shit, I gotta log out or whatever, yeah. Did you finally turn it on to where I have to? What? Can you please rewrite your question? I don't know what the song is, but it's pretty Poggeronies. I'm adding it to my playlist. What does join do? You join a giveaway. Alright, how do I do this? Come on! Harass un video de como utilizar el widget de los emotes en la pantalla. Will you make a video on how to use the emote widget on screen? I'll give you the 15-second tutorial right now. I'll give you the 15-second tutorial, okay? Add this as a browser source in your OBS. Open up Streamerbot. Turn this shit on here. Boom. That's it. You're done. That's the whole tutorial right there. Oh my god, I got excited because it says here new keyboard, and then it activated a chemical in my brain where I was like, oh my god, new keyboard? Okay, gotta log out here. Platforms, log out, forget, save. Oh my god, new keyboard. Whoa. Any new keyboard suggestions? You're trolling, aren't you? You just want me to talk about keyboards again, don't you? I'm just the keyboard guy to you. To you guys. Windows was unable to add one or more empty directories to... Okay, it's fine. Okay. Have you heard of Mcho's GX87? Looks pretty nice, contribute to it. So, okay, here's a funny thing. So keyboard companies, whenever they approach me, they're like, hey, can we send you a keyboard in exchange for a YouTube video? And then I always want the keyboard, but I don't want to make the video because videos take a long ass time to make and no one ever watches videos. So I always tell them the same thing. I tell them, hey, I would love to check out your keyboard. I'm very interested. However, the best I can offer you right now is a unboxing on my live stream. Or if I if I really want the keyboard, I'll say, I'll make a YouTube short for your keyboard. And most of the time, the companies are like, sure, let's try that out. That sounds cool. But other times, they kind of just ghost me. And Mchos was one of those companies that just ghosted me. And I'm like, oh man, I actually really wanted their keyboard. They emailed me and they're like, can we send you one for a review? And then as soon as I was like, I can do a live stream unboxing. And then they didn't reply back to me. It looked really nice though. I just want you guys to be prepared. Next month, good lord. I'm anticipating making like a 30-minute keyboard video. I'm not even joking. It's going to be at least 20 minutes. Because I said yes to all these keyboard companies, right? And now all of those companies are expecting me to make a video, but I don't want to make individual videos. Otherwise, you're going to have nothing but keyboard videos for like 3 months straight if I do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tier list of keyboards. They're all magnetic keyboards. So that's like the theme of the video. So I'm making a video of like ranking the top magnetic keyboards, and my top magnetic keyboards, I mean just the ones that the companies have sent me. And right now the total, I think I have at least 7, maybe 8 keyboards to include. So I need to talk about like 8 keyboards in the video, and that's gonna be a long ass video. So look forward to that, guys. Is magnetic the new hotness? What does that mean? Yeah, there's going to be 2 keyboard videos next month. One of them will be comparing magnetic keyboards to regular keyboards and then telling you guys why you'd want to buy one over the other. Because everybody is in on magnetic keyboards. I've got one on my desk here. This keyboard is magnetic. Everybody wants a magnetic keyboard nowadays. But I want to make the video because I feel, as someone that owns lots of keyboards that are both magnetic and mechanical, I don't think magnetic keyboards are for everyone. They're like for the super gamer people. If you want a keyboard that feels nice to type on, you still want a mechanical keyboard. I have enough experience with magnetic keyboards to know that they're not for everyone. Hall sensor uses a magnet, so yes, Hall sensor. I'm not doing a keyboard giveaway. It's gonna cost me like over like $100 million just to send the keyboard to you guys overseas. Yes, you can, Matt. Okay, well, sorry, I gotta finish. See, this is why I program stuff. This is why I program stuff off stream. Okay. This is why. Because knowing me, I was never gonna get this stuff done if I did it on stream. There's no way. I'll make 2 folders here. Woo! You ready to do the Streamerbot thing? Yep. Stream's nearly done. We have 32 minutes left in the stream. Today's a short stream. Much like my PP. I hope I'm adding this all to the right place. What's your Discord? ! Discord, or check the description of literally any YouTube video. Slept in, freaking missed it. Oh, don't worry, Bob Project. I have a habit of I don't know if you guys are like this, but the way I treat my streams is I treat my streams like radio. Now I've never worked in radio productions before or radio broadcasts, but something that just intuitively that I know about radio is radio hosts often repeat themselves like every 6 minutes because they can't assume that people have been listening the entire time, right? It's not like a podcast. People can be tuning in at every time. So I have this habit of like, I know you guys are just tuning in halfway and you probably missed the point of the stream. So I end up repeating myself like 20 times a stream. which I don't know if is annoying. Is that fucking annoying for you guys? Because you guys that have been watching from the start are just like, bro, you talked about this 30 times already. I'm like, yeah, I know for you guys, but not everybody tunes in. I don't know what I'm supposed to do about that. Because I feel like I'm annoying the shit out of people that have been like watching the whole time. But then I also feel like people are just coming in, feel like they're missing out. So I don't know what the healthy balance is there. I don't know what the healthy balance is. I'm new here. Hello, Tomas K4. It's annoying. You know, like, you can't win everything, you know? Yeah, I treat it like it's radio. Yeah, I've talked to several developers about this, by the way, and I just want to figure out a way. All right, I think I'm done with everything I need to do for the stream. I've uploaded all my files. I think we're good. I've uploaded all my files. I'm just gonna say, if Marcus Ooh is in chat, Marcus Ooh. Hold on. Oh, wait, you're here. Yeah. If you want to start preparing for your stream, because you're up next, right? I uploaded all my files already. So you can check it now, and then while I'm here, if you have any questions about anything, like if I've uploaded something wrong, you can let me know while I'm still live. Just so you're not like fiddling around when you start your stream. Okay, so something... You guys can help me out with this, okay? I don't know exactly how we can solve this problem. A problem that literally every streamer has, or maybe not every streamer, but like, at least for me, a problem with my stream is people that come in halfway. This is an inherent problem with streaming that I'm trying to solve. When people tune into your stream, they want to have an idea of everything that's happened up until that point. That's the really annoying part about live stream. It's just an inherent issue with the format, right? So let's just say you're playing on your stream schedule. Your goal is to play like 2 different games today. Maybe you're going to start the stream with like Minecraft, and then you're going to end with Skyrim? Is that a game? Is that a game that you folks play? Anyway, if someone's coming in, they're like, oh man, did I miss the Minecraft stream? Blah, blah, blah. Or like, did I miss the part where Nutty talked about cum or whatever? That's a really annoying issue, and I don't know how to solve it. So this is not a great solution. I don't know how you would solve this problem. I
invited you to sing.
But like, something I was thinking about is, okay, what if we made like a widget that it's like a timer bar thing it's like breadcrumbs. Not breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs is the wrong word. But it's like a time bar at the top, right? And it's like a scale. This is like the scale of... This is like 0 seconds. And then this is like whatever the current timestamp of the stream is. So like an hour 30, whatever it is. Whatever it is. And then like the bar at the top would like update in real time. So like proportionally, you know when shit happened. So like there would be a marker here that says Minecraft, but like that's too busy to put on the stream at all times. So like how do we... And then if you can imagine how this would animate, right? is like over time, as time progresses, this portion of the stream is going to become shorter proportionally, if you know what I mean. So over time, this would like, this thing here would like move to the left. Does that make sense? And then like, it will be like a super minimal thin bar, and then maybe you can have like a button to press. There could be like a separate OBS dock to control it, but you can press a button that will like expand it, and then maybe it will show like box art of like whatever the game is for that section, or like, I don't know how we would do that. Do you get what I mean though? Yeah, but you can't see that while you're streaming. The problem is like, you see, when you guys are coming in, this happens all the time in my stream. You guys come in, new t-shirt design. Yeah, we can save this. Can you guys take a screenshot and put this in my Discord? Sorry. So like, an issue that I have is when you guys come in and you ask me, did Nutty already talk about X thing? Like, did he talk about X thing already? And I'm like, yeah, I did, but that doesn't help you out. You're like, your next question is going to be like, okay, when did you talk about it? Like, when did you talk about it? Maybe what we could do, is there a way where, because we can make markers throughout the stream, right? Like, we already have a command that can make markers. Maybe there's a way we can make a command that when you press like exclamation mark highlights or something, or some command, like you type something in chat and it pulls up like maybe a paste bin document with like just actual timestamps. And then is there a way to pull up the VOD for the current stream? Do you know if there's a way to do that? Like, because if you can pull up the actual link to the VOD, then you can just insert the timestamps from there. How do you pull up the current VOD? Who gives a fuck about YouTube? Fuck YouTube. All the fun stuff happens on Twitch. Only manually. But do you think that would be helpful though? Like, imagine you press a command like exclamation mark highlights, and then it will automatically pull up the current VOD, but in like the header of the VOD. It will have like the timestamp there. So like someone who says, hey, did you talk about X thing? They can click a link and it will literally take them to the exact point because you made the marker earlier. You know what I mean? That's not what I'm talking about though. Wait, what I mean is like, I need you guys to be able to access it while I'm streaming, and it like literally like gives you an actual link to like the point where the marker was made. Can be on Twitch? Well, okay. VOD timestamps, VOD link. Yeah, but how do I actually get the current VOD link? The other thing I have to worry about is like, what happens if your stream dies halfway through?
Ha ha ha.
Bro just hit the gritty. Okay. That on-screen slider you showed could be pretty if it slid in on command, but the paste bin would be more functional. Yeah, because you don't want it to be there all the time. I'm trying to think, like, what would be the best way? Could you also expand that with Stream Deck page that has all your timestamps, and when you press a button it posts a link to chat? probably possible. I've never made a Stream Deck plugin before though. Think as a bar of colors with titles inside would be very slick. Yeah. That's true. Because that would be kind of sexy though. Like, let's just say you have a bar like that, and then because we have a marker command, we can put markers like that, and then inside the actual segments themselves, we can say like, talked about cum, you know, and then like daily keyboard update, 10 hours, like that. It would be like in the actual segment itself. Like that might be hard to read, especially if you have like a lot of segments. It's probably gonna cut off. But like that would be kind of cool. If the segment was short, I mean, you could just make scrolling text. The onus would be on you guys to not make segments that are too short, I guess, because if the segments are so short, then why even have that many segments? Since the bar gets longer depending on the stream length, under the bar would be better, no? True. What I'm thinking though is like, does it even matter if we do that? Because like, what does that even tell you? If I show you a bar like this that updates in real time, like what is it even telling you? Like, how does it help you guys out? That's why from a visual perspective, I actually really like this idea. From like a practical perspective, it makes sense for me to just give you the links in chat, so you guys can just click it. You know what I mean? Like you can just literally click to the point that you want. There's an API request that you can I'm assuming use, that you can something to Twitch or send to Twitch that get your streams with ID, and that ID is the VOD ID as well. Is that just like your latest VOD ID? Because that's what I was thinking, right? If you just pull your latest VOD ID, and then is it safe to assume that your latest VOD is always your current stream? Because are there certain situations where that's not going to be the case? Like, this is a really dumb scenario, but like, what if you upload a VOD while you're streaming? Does that not give you your current stream? Get streams. Get a list of all streams. This list is descending order by number of views watching the stream. Because of viewers come and go during the stream, it's possible to find duplicate missing streams. So this isn't even ordered by date, which is even more confusing. Oh, but it does give you the date though. So you can order it yourself. Okay, yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe this will work because it gives you the date and you can just pull the latest date. I'll think about it. There's potential here. There's potential here. Why would it order by number of views? I mean, it doesn't really matter because like they give you the date anyway. Yeah, no, there's potential here. I think the visual thing on screen is sexy, but it's probably wouldn't be the priority to make something like this. I think if I could make a simple command that... Oh, dude. Come. Bro, Dude, what I could do is I could update just like for a version 1 of this widget. For a version 1 of this widget, I could post the link to Discord because I already have this here. I have this here. So we could just append, this wouldn't be too difficult to make, but we could just like use exactly what we've done here, this little reminders log, but we just like put the link to the actual timestamp. That might even be like an incentive for you guys to join your Discord, right? So if someone tells me, hey, when did you talk about X thing? I can just say, well, if you go to Discord and go to this channel, click the link here, and then they're going to be like, whoa, I'm not even in your Discord, homie. I'm definitely going to join there now because that's a really cool feature. Is how you guys talk? Would the timestamps be in sync? Yeah, it would be in sync because would it not be in sync? It should be in sync. Oh, dude, come. Actual come. Example request, this is the data you get back.
At ego no, meaning to be
Oh ho
otherwise.
ho ho! Oh ho ho! I'm assuming I have to put this in here. What the fuck is this? Do I have to just put this in? Holy cum, guys. We can even put the thumbnail. All right, this is going to be our project for next stream. This is our project for next stream. This is our project for next stream. We'll build this next stream. We'll even be able to put the thumbnail for when the thing happened. Yeah, we could have like a specific... dude, this is a great idea. Can you test it out somehow? Like when I make it, I can test it out. Yeah, sure. Would this work for a live broadcast or just VODs? What do you mean? This is live. Yeah. What do you mean live broadcast or just VODs? It would be linking to your VOD, but you will be able to use it while you're live. The only thing is, I can imagine if you make a marker and it posts the link in chat, it's not going to be immediately available for you because the timestamp will need to catch up. But that's fine. If it's not immediately available, that's totally fine. I trigger the message. Guys, you guys... I don't mean to be mean. Are you guys like... You're asking me how to test something I literally haven't made. I just came up with the idea and you're like, can we test it? How do you trigger it? Am I Jesus? I didn't make the idea. I've just been talking about it. What the fuck is wrong? I haven't made it yet. I feel like you guys are getting a little impatient. I come up with an idea. Hey, I think we should do this. How do we test it, dude? Oh, the reminder? That's for me. The reminder channel's for me.
That's enough Nintendo for tonight. You go to sleep now.
So
Your
I type
friends
in
can watch
exclamation mark
commercials
marker.
instead.
Like this. Exclamation mark marker, I explained how these markers work. for example, right? So if I use this command here and then put that in, it will make a new marker. So number one, it will post a thing here with a timestamp. Okay, this is a command that only my mods and myself can trigger. And that just gives me helpful reminders for later. And then additionally, what it does is it also adds a marker to the OBS recording using the new feature in the latest OBS update. And it also adds a Twitch marker. So if I was to go here into video producer and then look at the actual VOD, that marker command also put a marker here with the title that I said. So we just did this right now. So it's already right here. It just made the marker for us.
So if I use this command here.
See, I literally just explained this and then it's there. That's exactly what we just did just now. And that's all just using a Twitch chat command. So which is really nice. So it did 3 things for me. I have markers everywhere now. Yeah. Yeah, it should be possible. It should be possible to put an actual link to the VOD here. Next step to receive time. Marker, end of marker. Explanation. Thanks, Exaltra. No worries, Mikhail Hall. Can those markers be an auto chapter marker somehow from your past broadcasts? I know you're not Jesus. Can those markers be an auto chapter marker? I mean, yeah, you could. Mine doesn't work that way, though. The thing that you guys are getting today will be this stream log thing. So, whenever you change categories, it should post here. Oh, dude, come. If we could get that VOD thing, we could have every single event here could have a link. Is that too much? Like, as long as you're live, that is. Like, if you're live, we can put in some code to detect if you're live, and if you are live, it will give you a link to the timestamp. It's too late. We have 7 minutes left in the stream. Thor has it on his stream. I can't believe Thor is a Streamerbot enjoyer. How honored is our community that we have a human being like Thor using Streamerbot. He's like right here. Bro, my name's next to him. I have a spot right next to Thor.
I'm a terrible gamer.
On the page. On the Streamerbot page. I love Thor. Thor's great. Although he doesn't like Mr. Robot though, which makes me upset. But he has good reasons for not liking Mr. Robot. Mr. Robot's my favorite TV show and he fucking hates that show.
Andy Gets Mad says, quick question. MY Discord won't open on MY Stream Deck every time there is a Discord update, so I have to go back into the folder and get the updated Discord app again on Stream Deck. Any way to get it to do automatically?
Like launching the app? I don't know. I don't open Discord from the app. We need to get ready to raid soon. I'm gonna raid at exactly the time that I'm supposed to. Look, Thor's here, guys. Oh my god, it even opens up his stream. How come Thor is on like 24/7? Jesus Christ. This guy ever not work? I feel like every time I'm on Twitch, he's live. Not he swooning over Thor. I like Thor because he has long hair like me. Maybe there's a theme. Because I like Bob Wolf too, and he also has long hair. I want to see your videos that helped me a ton past few weeks. Oh, thanks, Joey Potato Salad. What a cool name. Does that mean I have a chance? Do you have long hair? Long hair enjoyers. At least until I cut my hair in October. I'm gonna look cringe, guys. I always saw you kind of as the OBS Thor. Bro, I wish I was OBS Thor. Alright. Marcus Ooh is live. We're going to raid him in 4 minutes, guys. There's 4 minutes left in the stream. I'm going to make sure to raid right on time. But I hope you've enjoyed. By the way, you have 4 more minutes to get your last donations in. I will tally up all the donations, and I'll make an announcement after the stream. But yes, all donations and subs for the next 4 minutes. I will be donating to the Streamerbot dev team. So getting your last donations now. I'll also be adding my own donation on top of it as well. But I will calculate the number of subs and the number of donations, and all the bits and everything. I think I calculated the other day. I think we've raised like $400, I think, roughly. So I don't know how I'm gonna divide that amongst the devs. I'll add probably like a couple hundred on top of that as well, of my own money. Here's a short from it. Remove link if appropriate. What did he do? Fuck, did he come up with the exact same idea as me? Alright, what does this do? Is this the exact idea that we just had? What? Did you send the wrong link? This is the wrong link. This has nothing to do with what we were talking about. Okay, yeah, so we can do that. But we just have to make it for more things. For just like general reminders. Yo, we could update this shit. Oh, fuck me. Dude, I could upgrade this. I could upgrade our little, yeah, I can upgrade our little... I might consider doing that. This little stream log thing. Like, we just have to do a check. Like, we shouldn't post a link if we're not live. But if we are live, then we just pull the VOD. And then put a timestamp. Yeah, we can upgrade this.
Then ointment or not yet?
I might consider doing this later. That's a good idea. Do you not have Ko-Fi alerts? No, I don't. Should I have Ko-Fi alerts? I haven't even looked into that. Okay, I have the raid. Sorry, guys. I'm late. Sorry, I need to leave. See you guys. We'll continue the conversation next stream. Thank you, everyone. Get your last donations in. I'll give you 15 seconds to donate. And then I will tally it up after the stream. It's the first thing I'm going to do right when the stream is done. I'm going to tally up all the subs and all the donations. And then I'll make an announcement post for full transparency with like evidence that I'm counting properly. Because you guys, I don't want you guys to be like, oh, did you even donate my money, Nutty bro? Like, I want to be transparent. I think I'm going to split it between... Okay, I'm going to split it between Nate and Whippy. Thank you, everyone. Bye. I'll see you guys next week, okay? No, I'll fucking go where I want to go, okay? Is this thing started? I'm waiting for the thing to count down. Where the hell is the raid? Bro, there's too much shit on Twitch right now.
Have a nice session, Master. Smiley face.
Thanks, Aniv. I used the slash command and it didn't work. Okay, bye.